Yo, what up, folks? So today I thought I would try something really, really dope and complex with Guide Track, and that's programming a live show, one that's already out and you guys are familiar with, and that's the Usher Live Halftime Show, right? So you guys may have seen that. If you haven't, then I don't know where you've been, so, go watch it. But we're going to see a little bit of it today. So we're just going to jump straight in. I think this is a really, really interesting case, and I want to see if Guide Track is up to the task. Let's see. All right, so I'm here in Logic, and we're gonna try programming this show. I dropped it. I downloaded from YouTube, dropped it into Logic here, and I have everything set up. And I think this will be an interesting use case because this song changes tempo, or this show changes tempo like several times, and it just goes through different, iterations of all of Usher's popular songs. So I think this might be a cool way to kind of show you guys how Guide Track handles multiple tempos and all of those things like that. So I already set the tempo. I did some pre-mapping. I'm not going to do the whole song. We're just going to do like maybe the first like 4 or 5 minutes of this show just to kind of show the concept of how you guys can do it, because I think this whole thing is like, 15 minutes long, and you guys wouldn't want to sit through all of that. So I just want to show you guys that you can do stuff like this with Guide Track. All right. So first thing we're going to do is drop the click in here. So I'll go here, standard. We'll find, I'll just do the double time click. I like the cowbell click, but it might be a little bit too annoying for a show like this, but I don't know. It might not. Let's just go with the regular kind of, pop click or what have you. So what we'll do, we'll use a double time click so we know we can stay in. We'll just drag this in. We'll drop it right here on this track. And the cool thing about Logic, you just hit the L key when you want to loop something, and it'll loop throughout the entire thing. So now we have it. I just press play. I know that's really hot, so we're going to bring it down. So as you can see, I didn't have to do anything. It will change tempo. So if we go to this next tempo thing, watch what happens here. We'll after the night, don't leave your girl around. Right? Let's go to the next tempo change. It's okay, I'ma be. But if you do call, know that God answers. Then we same here. Fans screaming in the rain. Big stage. 6,000 fans screaming in the rain. Yeah, I do it for the ladies, but I gotta keep it real. Where we at? Let's go. So as you can see, it will easily flow with the tempo because it's all MIDI. So what we're going to do is we're going to label this click, right? Drop that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and add in another instance of Guide Track. And this will be my guide, right? And then what we're going to do is pull it up here. This is going to be cool here because we're going to utilize multiple ways of input with Guide Track, from drag and drop out of the browser all the way down to like actually playing stuff in. So what I'll do is we'll start with like our intro. You always get a little count in intro for what you're doing. So we'll go here. We'll just grab the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do is just drag it in where everything starts. So I believe it starts right here. So we're dragging in right before the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be the intro right there. So look at this. Intro, 2, 3, 4. Break. 2, 1, 2, 3, verse. So you can see I played that part in because that's more of an intricate command. Like it's a break that comes in there. So we introduced the break and we played it in. So we don't have that slate in the thing. Maybe I should add that in. But, I just thought it was really cool right there in the moment. I was feeling it. I could just play this in, right? It's cool. So we got a verse. What else is cool? Waking my kiss, my career, and every lover, yeah. And in all my life I keep loving that tears. Record 2, 3, 4. Met this girl, turn it
3, 4.
Okay, so that's kind of a cool place where I could probably play it in. Let me see, because we got like
stab the one,
and there's a
verse,
and there's a break in there,
chorus,
then a chorus, right? So we'll get those in there, right?
Chop it. 1, 2, 3, chorus. Change, breakdown, 1, 2, 3, 4.
After the night, don't leave your girl around me.
Intro, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Ow!
Verse, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so now we're in the second song. Just kind of get us to the verse.
Verse 2, 3, 4.
I like that everything's in alphabetical order here.
But you gotta be smart about it.
Change 2.
So we'll get that change in there, like at that spot right there. So we get that in.
Change 2, 3, 4.
Then they're gonna repeat that.
Repeat.
And then of course we'll get it in like right in there, just lining everything up. You know what I'm saying?
Repeat 2, 3, 4.
Man, this is pretty straightforward, you know. So kind of seeing how the format goes, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna be the chorus right here.
Chorus 2, 3, 4.
But there's a break in there, so let's see. I probably can get the break in there, right? And so let's see how that feels. If dragging it in, if you're the guy that likes to drag stuff in, break comes in. So you can have like back-to-back cues, no issue.
Break 2, 3, 4. Chorus 2, 3, 4.
You know what I'm saying? So it's another change and a break.
Change, breakdown, 3, 4.
But if you do call, know that God answers prayers.
So I love he has this whole break in here.
I am. Hey mama, we made it.
So let's see where the intro comes in.
They said I wouldn't make it. They said I wouldn't be here today, but I am. Hey, they said I wouldn't make it. They said I wouldn't be here today, but I am. Hey mama.
So it's right there. So I could just easily just go down here. Again, we just building, grab that intro, because I can play it in, or I could just decide, oh, it's coming in right here, right? I think it was saying
intro 2, 3, 4.
Hey mama, we made it. And now this is for you. My number one, y'all sing.
Now I like that because it's like a drive. So I would probably like go in and grab, like drive it. You know what I'm saying? Because it just kind of feels good right there.
Y'all sing.
Drive it.
So we get it in there, measure before.
Drive it, 2, 3, 4. Verse 2, 3, 4.
So I was a little bit early, but we'll get it in there, right? But I like that, and I'll probably play a break in.
Breakdown, break.
Yes, you.
Verse 2, 3, 4.
Spotlight. Yes, you.
Verse 2, 3, 4.
Spotlight.
And then to keep us clean, because it's MIDI, we can go in and edit it.
Break.
Here's my break. And I can easily substitute that on the 4, and we'll get rid of the 4, right? So it's all the methods.
Verse 2, 3, break.
You know what I'm saying?
Big stage, 6,000 fans screaming.
So we got a stab in there, so like I can just
Drive, stab,
just throw that in there.
Big stage, 6,000 fans.
You know what I'm saying? Now we got the stab in there. Make sure it lined up where it needed to line up.
Big stage, 6,000 fans screaming in the rain. Yeah, I do it for the ladies, but I gotta.
Yeah, so you see how complex it is? We'll just we'll drop a change in here. And then do the same thing, delete the 4, and then just add in a break.
Change 2, 3, break.
Yeah, I do it for the ladies. But I
Intro 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is fun. Hey, hey. You see what I'm saying? We could just
verse 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's good. Like, as you can see, like, and we can keep going and keep driving, but look at all of the work that we've done up to this point and kind of gotten to this song. So let's just kind of stop and listen to it real quick from top down so you guys can kind of see like how it runs from the top down of the show all the way to where we were. So watch it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Intro 2, 3, 4. Break 2, 1, 2, 3, verse. Pre-chorus 2, 3, 4.
Met this girl, turn the tables around. Listen,
repeat 2, 3, 4. Chop it. 1, 2, 3, chorus.
Got me feeling it. Know what it is, but it's safe. She's got me twisted.
Repeat.
Got me feeling it.
Change. Breakdown. 1, 2, 3, 4.
After the night, don't leave your girl around me.
Intro 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Verse 2, 3, 4.
Situations will arise in life, but you gotta be
Change 2,
smart about
3,
it.
4.
Solo what? With the guys I sacrifice, 'cause I do you.
Repeat 2, 3, 4. Break 2, 3, 4. Chorus 2, 3, 4. Change. Breakdown 3, 4.
But if you do call, know that God answers prayers. They said I wouldn't make it. They said I wouldn't be here today.
Intro 2,
but
3,
I am.
4.
Hey mama, we made it. And now this is for you.
Drive 2, 3, 4. Verse 2, 3, break.
Spotlight, big
Stack. Change 2, 3, break.
Yeah, I do it for the ladies. But I
Intro 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Verse 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, boys and girls, so as you can see, Guide Track is more than capable of utilizing it to program your live shows, live sets, whether you're handling like multiple tempo changes, multiple BPMs, all of those different things like that. It is feature packed and robust enough to handle even programming something as complex as the Usher Halftime Show. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you go and grab it. Link to get all of this is down in the description of this video and in the first comment. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I'm out. I'll let you boy.